Good morning, class 10. Today we have quadratic equation. Linear pair of equations you have solved, and the equation which we are going to understand today, that is quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? The equation in which the maximum power of variable, this means degree of the polynomial is 2, that equation is called quadratic equation. Number of examples you can understand. Suppose this is a polynomial, this is a equation. Now you see this equation of single variable. What is the maximum power of the variable? Maximum power of variable is 2. That is also known as degree of the polynomial. This means this is quadratic equation. So the equation in which the degree of the equation variable, that is maximum value is 2, that is called quadratic equation. And this is general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, b and c are real numbers. These are the conditions. And a should not be equal to 0. Now question may arise, why a should not be equal to 0? Students, if you put a is equal to 0, so this term will be 0. And therefore this cannot be called quadratic equation. So this is the condition, a should not be equal to 0, and a, b and c are real numbers. And if you understand deeply, so a is the constant coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is constant term. This is an introduction of quadratic equation. Today we will learn the polynomial, the equations given. If you have to find out whether it is quadratic equation or not, so first you will simplify the given equations and you try to take all the terms to the left side, and if you compare with this, if the equations obtained on simplification, if it is in this form, so that is called quadratic equation, otherwise not. And second thing you will learn, the statements will be given, word problem, practical problems, and how will you create the equation, these two things. And then we will learn to solve the equation as you have learned to solve the equation of linear equations. So today, you learn what is quadratic equation. The equation in which the degree of the polynomial or degree of power of the variable is maximum 2, that is called quadratic equation. And this is general form. Now you see, direct, come to the question 4.1. In 4.1, number of equations are given, and you have to find out whether they are quadratic equation or not. So as I told you, first you simplify. So first question you see, first, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Now you can see, we cannot conclude that this is quadratic equation until you simplify it, and then you will compare with the general form. Now you see, left side you have a square, you simplify by using the formula identity, algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. So this will be x square plus 2x plus 1. And here you observe this is multiplied, 2 is multiplied by x and minus 3, 2 into x, 2x and minus 6. You transfer all the terms from right to left. So x square, this is plus 2x and this is minus 2x. This is plus 1 and this is plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you see x square, these two are like terms, opposite sign, though these two will be cancelled, and 6 plus 1, 7. Now this is the simplification of the given equation. Now you compare, and this is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and therefore this is quadratic equation. Now question may arise in your mind, sir, where is this middle term, bx? Bx you can write, we can understand 0 into x, b is equal to 0. So nothing should be worried about that. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 7. So you are right, it is quadratic equation. So in this question, you have to find out, check whether the given equations are quadratic equation or not. You will simplify. I have solved one question. I try to solve one more question, and then you will try to solve. So understand, you have to check whether the given equations are quadratic equation or not. We are simplifying. What I don't know, how can you simplify? This depends upon the question. Either a plus b whole square. So this is question number 1. And now you see question number, one question more I would like to explain, and you will see. So now you can see question number, suppose 4. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Now you see, these are the multiplied product. You find the product, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 1, x, minus 3 into 2x, minus 6x, and minus 3, and this will be multiplied, x square plus 5x. Now you see, 2x square, x minus 6x, minus 5x. You transfer this side, minus 5x, and this will be minus 3. And also you transfer minus x square. So this 2x square minus x square minus 10x and minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can compare with the general form. This is quadratic equation. So my dear, this is question number 1. So you have to simplify the given polynomial or your equation rather, and you have to check, compare with this general form. If the simplified form of the given equation in this form, this means this is quadratic equation, otherwise not. Now you see, representing the statements given in the form of equation. Now question number 2, we have 2 questions. Number of question 2. Area of rectangle is 528 square, 528 meter square, and condition is length is 1 more than twice of the breadth. So you suppose breadth is equal to x meter. Suppose x meter. So what will be the length? Here question may arise, sir, if we suppose 2 variables. Now you see, so length in the question says length is 1 more than double of breadth. So this will be 2x plus 1. It is called 1 more than double of breadth. And now you see area of rectangle, you know, area L into B. So area of 528, L into B is equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. L is equal to 2x plus 1 and x is equal to breadth. And that is given 528. 2x square plus x, transfer here, minus 2, 528 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now need to solve. So, this is the word problem. So you go to the question, you find the unknown quantity, and you form the equation with the given statement. You see the statement, you try to understand the statement given, conditions given, and then you will form the equation, and this is to be done in question number 2. Now question may arise, sir. It will be suppose length and breadth double variable. Now you can see. But I have completed this question number first or second. Now suppose length is equal to x, breadth is equal to y. I am explaining whether it is doubtful in your mind, whether, sir, how can we know this is a question of linear equation or quadratic equation? So suppose any student, suppose if you are solving by supposing length and breadth separately, double variable, so x into y, xy is equal to 528, area of rectangle, and length is, according to the question, length is 1 more than double of breadth. This means, so if you see length is 1 more than double of breadth. So double of breadth, yani x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 1. So if you are supposing this condition in 2 variables, so there will be problem. And so if you solve by supposing 1 variable, and if you see length is, and this is breadth. क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन है कि लेंथ जो है ब्रेथ के डबल से एक ज्यादा है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? तो इसको हम 2y कर लें और प्लस 1, ये दोनों क्या हो जाएगा? इक्वल. Length is 1 more than double of breadth. Now if this is the equation, x minus 2y is equal to 1. Equation 6. Equation 5. Now question is, how can you solve by linear pair? So that can be solved if you convert y in form of x or x in form of y. And now you put this value here. So x minus 2 into 528 upon x is equal to x is equal to 1. इसको LCM निकालें तो x, so this will be x square minus 2 is the 16 करीबन 2 4 and 1 5 and x LCM is equal to 1. So now you will see, if you transfer, so you will get the equation. So you see, but you don't go in the double variable, but question may arise in your mind. X, y is equal to 528, and again length is 1 more than double of breadth. X minus 2y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1, 528 upon x, method of substitution like that. So x minus 2 into y upon x, 2 into y upon x. Y is equal to 1. LCM x, this will be x square, and this will be minus 105x, and is equal to, क्रॉस कर लेंगे इसको, तो हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर माइनस 105x इज इक्वल टू x. इसको इधर ट्रांसफर कर लीजिए और इज इक्वल टू, इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा. तो इसमें आपको डबल वेरिएबल से आप जैसे ही प्रोडक्ट आ जाएगा तो इसको आप छोड़ दीजिए, इससे औसत बन सकता है. इट कैन बी सॉल्व बाय दिस मेथड, बट दिस इज फॉर नॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई हैव एक्सप्लेन. सो आई रिपीट दिस creating the equation. You go to the statement given in the question and you suppose the value which you have to find out. So let breadth is equal to x meter and length is 1 more than double of breadth, 2x plus 1. Area of rectangle n into b. If you multiply the product, you will find the product. This will be equation. So this is a quadratic equation. Today you learn how can you find out whether the equations given are quadratic or not, simplifying and you compare with the general form. And this is one question I have solved going through the statement. You have to only represent in the equation, no need to solve because you haven't learned till now. Tomorrow and next time you will learn how to solve quadratic equation. How will you find the value of? That's all for today. Have a nice day.